let's start the food review video. So as you can see, today we are going to review a food bundle sent to us by Maria's Kitchen Davao. So as you can see, they have sent us a lot of items, actually 3 boxes and 2 drinks and 2 sauces, which I can see without opening them. And if I ask my cameraman to focus, so they're very cutely written something like this, Gaba, thank you. So they give you a nice note also. So all these small things, they attach together and they make a very big thing. So let's break this thank you note and let's try to get inside and see what all have they sent. So as you can see, they have named the things also. So this one is the cheesy garlic dip, and the other one which they have sent us is spicy rum. So let's see if it has rum inside or not. So I'm excited about this dip. Then this one is a classic cheese pasta, and before they sent me this pasta, they asked me which kind of pasta do I want. So they gave me 4 options: the penne pasta, the macaroni pasta, spaghetti pasta, and some pasta. I will figure that out later. So I asked them to make a penne pasta, so they've sent this to me. Then after this, they have sent another thing that looks very cute. This is the old school munchkins. So this is a dessert sent by them to me. So this is small munchkins as a dessert. So we'll review this also. And last but not the least, for this is the classic fried chicken. So for this, these are being sent, the dips are being sent. So we'll review this also. And I think this is the main course and or we can say the appetizer, main course and the dessert. So they've sent you everything which you want, which you need. They have also sent the cutlery which you want to use, and in this bundle set they have sent us 2 drinks. So I think this in the Filipino language is called the Grenade Coca-Cola. So they have sent us this also. So other than the 3 items that they have sent me, the 2 dips that they have sent me, and the 2 drinks that they have sent me, and the cutlery of course, they have also sent a very cute note as a thanking note that we are going to review their food. So this is a very nice gesture. So they made a lot of very small gestures which accumulate together and make a very big thing. So I hope the food is also going to be nice, and this is also going to be an honest food review video. So I can't resist myself. I'm already salivating by looking at the pasta. As you can see, the pasta sauce is being filled up to the brim, up to the mark, and without even opening the box, I can feel the aroma of the pasta. I can see oregano on the top. The chicken, I think I don't know how many pieces of chicken are there inside of this, but it looks like a very nice thick box of chicken, fried chicken with the skin on, as Filipinos love to eat skin on chicken, and the munchkin. So there are around 8 pieces, no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces of munchkins. So that is more than enough. And as they have told me that these items are good enough for 2 to 3 people. So today is going to be a feast. So let's start the food review video. So let's start this food review video of Maria's Kitchen. So as you can see, they have sent us 3 items: the appetizer, the main course, and the dessert, and the drinks. So let's start with the appetizers. So let's open the chicken. So as you can see, they have written the classic fried chicken. So I hope it's going to be nice. Let's open it. Oh, nice. Look at it. Look at the breadcrumbs, you can see. Look at the crust of the chicken. It looks nice. So let's keep it on the top so that we can focus on it. And let's open the 2 dipping sauce that they have sent us. So this one is the spicy rum. So I hope it's the rum which I am thinking is the rum. And this one is the garlic cheese dip. So let's try. I think I have to break open the tape of the name. Yes. Okay. So the sauce looks dense. It looks spicy, but we will get to know how much spicy it is on our spicy scale after we try it with the chicken. And this one is the cheesy dip. So this is actually looking like cheese melted. So let's take a chicken wing. So as you can see, oh man, this looks I'm not getting the right word. This looks moist. It doesn't look dry because by touching itself I can get the oil and the taste in my hand. So let's break it into 2 pieces. As you can see, it broke down very easily and the meat broke down easily as well. Let's dip the first part in the spicy rum sauce. I think for making this sauce, for making this dip, they have used the rum actually and then just made it dissolve down slowly and made spice infused into it. So this is also a nice hint of spice in the back of the throat. So on my spice scale, I will rate it as 4 to 5 out of 10. And let's dip the next part into the cheesy dip. Let's hope that this is actually cheesy. This is more garlicky than being cheesy. So if you're a garlic fan, if you love to eat things which are having a garlic infused in them, then make sure to try this out. So we'll finish this chicken wing and then proceed to the next part. On its own also, the chicken wing is moist, as you can see. There's no dryness in it. And it's salty. So I think it's a marinated chicken wings. So if you'd like to try the meatiness of a chicken on its own, you can get these chicken wings and then you can eat them. And I don't know how many chicken wings are there inside, so maybe after I'm done eating it off camera, I can write it down in the description and then you can get to know about that. So let's proceed to the next part of the video. That is the main course, and that comprises of the classic cheesy pasta. And for me, I ordered them to give me penne pasta, but if you want, you can also ask for spaghetti pasta or macaroni pasta or penne pasta or one more pasta. I again forgot the name. So we'll write those things in the description down below. Let's open this. Let's see if we get the cheesy layer on the top. Oh, look at that. Look at the amount of cheese on the top of the pasta. So let's open the cutlery here and let's try to see what is down. Oh. We'll try to get some pieces of the hot dog, some marinara sauce and some cheese in one bite. So let's try it out. Even the marinara sauce is having some pieces of meat inside. So if you're a meat lover, I don't know which meat it is, maybe I will ask them and I will let you know. So if you are a general meat lover, so you can order this pasta, and it looks very nice, it tastes very nice, and the cheese on the top is infused with the oregano, so the flavor is also nice. So as you can see, they have put nice pieces of hot dog in it and it looks lovely. So let's try it out. The pasta is al dente. If you don't know what al dente means that it's a food for the tooth. It's not mushy and it's a little bit hard to chew. So if you like the al dente version of the pasta, make sure to order this. And let's proceed to the next and the last part, that's the munchkins. So if you don't know what is munchkins, these are the small chocolate brownies type stuff, but in a round form. So let's open it and try to show you how it is made. So as you can see, I think it is having grated coconut and some sprinkled sugar on the top. So let's see how it tastes. I think it's a finger food and it's soft. It's moist to touch. It's not hard, and as you can see, it has passed the fall apart test. It is not falling apart, so it is made fresh, I guess. And let's take a bite of it. So I think it's going to be one biter. if you love chocolate brownie cake and if you love coconut, this is the best thing. It makes me remind of India, where you get the coconut burfi on the chocolate burfi. So this is a nice, Indo fusion food. So if you like to try something new, and if you like to try the food bundles, which is good for 2 to 3 people, as you can see, it's a huge quantity of food. So make sure to order from them. So Maria's Kitchen is available on Instagram as well as on Facebook, and they have their own delivery. So you just message them and then they can deliver the food to you. I think they have some other foods also available, so make sure to check out their menu and make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Make sure to comment down which you want me to try more next time, if you want me to show something else which you want me to show, and make sure to share the video. Thank you guys.